In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Terabox to your Telegram using a bot. For those who aren't familiar, Terabox is a cloud storage service that provides up to 1 terabyte of free storage. It's a great tool for storing and managing your files online. And today, we're going to make it even more convenient by linking it to Telegram. The first step is to open your Telegram app. In the search bar at the top, type in Terabox video and hit enter. You'll see a result for it. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've opened the Terabox video result, make sure to join the channel by clicking join. This gives you access to the Terabox bot. Next, you need to search for the Terabox bot. Head back to the search bar and type in Terabox bot. Once you find it, click on it. When you're on the Terabox bot page, click on the Start button to activate it. This connects you to that bot, allowing you to manage your Terabox links through Telegram. Once the bot is active, simply copy and download link from Terabox and share it within the bot chat. The bot will automatically generate a download message for you. And that's it. You're now connected to the Terabox bot on Telegram and can easily manage your downloads.